if I were to completely indulge, like not deprive myself whatsoever, how much of this can I possibly eat? So, like for example, like you said, you used the thing about M and M's, and like I actually know a lot of people. Like Missy loves her Raisinets, and I know a lot of the pageant girls. Like at Miss USA, they would literally carry bags of like peanut M and M's and like eat them. Like I know so many people who do the M and M's. For me, that does not work. But like talking about ice cream, like if I eat if I eat Haagen Dazs, dulce de leche ice cream, that stuff is so freaking good. It's so good. I mean, it's really high calories, but if I don't scoop it out of the thing. I literally eat it straight from the container. But like if I eat that, I kind of like do like a little pattern. I scrape the top of it off. But like if I eat that Haagen Dazs ice cream until I cannot eat any more, and I'm like, oh, this is gross. Like I don't want it anymore. I don't eat that much of it. Like I'll eat like, okay, so the thing's like probably like this big. Like if I like literally, I'll scrape the top of it off and then I'll eat it and kind of savor it because it's so freaking sweet and it's so freaking good. But like I'll like eat like there's this pint like this big. I like eat this much. So I guess if you're asking me, and that's like at the end of that, I'm like, oh, this is like I can't eat anymore. This is like too much. Like I have had friends tell me that they can eat like an entire pint of ice cream. I personally can't